Question 19. Tapu and Sonu are the partners sharing. Yes, silence everyone. Tapu and Sonu are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 1:2. The balance sheet of their firm, Darshan, as on 31/3/2016 was as under. First of all, take on capital accounts. Then on partners capital credit side by balance brought down 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. Then take on cash account, 2 balance brought down 40,000. Now liabilities side take on profit and loss account, that will be distributed between old partners in old ratio. So partners capital account credit side by profit and loss account, 48,000 into 1/3, 16,000, and 48,000 into 2/3, 32,000. Okay. Journal entry is profit and loss account debit, the account gets closed to old partners capital account in old ratio. Tick on goodwill on the asset side. Goodwill 54,000 will come in partners capital account on debit side to goodwill account. 54,000 into 1/3, 18,000, and 54,000 into 2/3, 36,000. Okay, the journal entry is old partners capital account debit. So we show it in partners capital on debit side. To goodwill account in old ratio 1:2. That's it, nothing else from the balance sheet. Are you okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Raise your hand, we're still writing up till goodwill. All are completed? Now they admitted Goli as a new partner on the following terms. Goodwill is valued at 54,000, and see the last second adjustment. Goli will bring his share of goodwill in cash. But that they will do after last adjustment. Look at last adjustment. Tapu sacrifices 1/3, and then the word off. Brun, be attentive. Tapu sacrifices 1/3 of his share is situation 3. The word off is given. And Sonu sacrifices 1/6 share. Nothing is given means from. So here it is sacrifice share. That 1/3 sacrifice part and this 1/6 is sacrifice share. It's a mixture of situation 3 and situation 2. So first we'll find the new ratio from this. Tapu, Sonu and Goli. Old ratio is 1:2, 1/3 and 2/3. Goli is admitted. Now sacrifice part of Tapu is given, which is 1/3. So sacrifice share will be equal to old ratio into sacrifice part. Means Tapu's share is 1/3, and out of that he sacrifices 1/3 means 1/9. And what Goli sacrifices 1/6 is directly given. Is everyone clear with this? Sonu. What Sonu sacrifices 1/6 is directly given. Now you have to make the denominator same. So 1/9 and 1/6, 6 and 9, can I say denominator LCM will be 18?
Yes.
This you'll multiply with 2/2 and this you'll multiply with 3/3. So 2/18, 3/18, you'll get the same denominators for both the partners. Now we get sacrifice share for both of them. So new ratio will be equal to old ratio minus sacrifice share. So 1/3 minus 2/18. and 2 by 3 minus 3 by 18. LCM is 18. 18 divided by 3, 6 into 1, 6 minus 2. 18 divided by 3, 6 into 2, 12 minus 3. 4 by 18, 9 by 18. And this both will give us new partnership. 2 by 18 plus 3 by 18, 2 plus 3 by 18, 5 by 18. Okay, new ratio is 4 is to 9 is to 5. And sacrifice share will give us sacrifice ratio. 2 by 18 and 3 by 18 means 2 is to 3 is the sacrifice ratio. Any confusions in this? Now we can do that goodwill adjustment. Goodwill of the firm is valued at, new partner's share is 5 by 18. So Goli will bring how much cash for goodwill? 54,000 into 5 by 18, 15,000. Any confusion in this? Last second adjustment is again Goli will bring his share of goodwill in cash. Raise your hand who is still doing the ratio. So now, cash account debit to premium for goodwill account, 54,000 into Goli's share is 5 by 18, that is 15,000. And this 15,000 we will distribute between old partners in sacrifice ratio 2 is to 3. So partners capital credit side by premium for goodwill account in sacrifice ratio 2 is to 3. So 15,000 into 2 by 5, 6,000, 3 by 5, 9,000. Okay, first entry cash account debit to premium for goodwill account. Second entry premium for goodwill account debit to old partners capital account in sacrifice ratio. Are you all clear with that? Now bad debt reserve on debtors is to be maintained at 10,000. See on the asset side, do we have any bad debt reserve from debtors? We have it on liability side. Always see both the sides. Asset side nothing is subtracted, but liability side do you find 16,000 or not? Yes. Now again we have to maintain at 10,000 means it is 6,000 more. So will you write it on debit side or credit side? Debit. We'll have to withdraw 6,000. So credit side by bad debt reserve 6,000. And from debtors what amount will minus? 10,000 as per adjustment. Put tick on debtors. Debtors 80,000 minus BDR as per adjustment 10,000. So outer column 70,000. Are you all clear with this? Land and building is to be increased by 10%. Land and building, can you see 3 lakhs? 10% increase means 30,000 is our profit. So revaluation credit side by land and building 30,000. And it is to be increased. So we'll add in land and building. Land and building 3 lakhs plus appreciation 30,000. So 3,30,000. Are you all clear with this? Now fourth adjustment, market important. We have done this kind of adjustment earlier also in the very first question. If there is a book value of machinery is 25% more than its market value, is it a profit or a loss? Loss. Because market value is not more than book value. Book value is more than market value, means market value is less than book value. Working note 2, suppose market value of machinery is 100. Suppose market value of machinery is 100. 3 of you will be out of the class. Concentrate here. Book value is 25% more. Means book value will be 125. Now when book value is 125, market value is 100. When book value is 125, market value is 100. See asset side, the book value of machinery is 1 lakh. So what will be its market value? 1 lakh into 100 by 125, 80,000. Now 1 lakh and value is, market value is 80,000, means can I say loss of 20,000? Book value is 1 lakh, market value is 80,000, means loss of 20,000. And you can see market value is 25% less than book value. 1 lakh 25% less, that is. Is everyone clear with this? Any confusion with that? Now, 20,000 of loss will write in evaluation account on debit side. To machinery account 20,000. No? Do it 1 lakh into 100 upon 125. Does it come to 80,000 or not? Yes. You don't have to count 25% of 1 lakh. Book value is 25% less than. So market value 80,000 is 25% is this. See 80,000 is 25%, does it come to 20,000 or not? Okay, but market value we don't have, that's why we do this working. Okay, book value, it is not book value is 25%, it is market value is 25% less. Market value is not available, so we do this workings. Yes, to machinery 20,000. Put tick on machinery. Machinery 1 lakh minus depreciation 20,000. So outer column 80,000. Is everyone of you clear with this? Book value of stock is to be reduced by 10%. Asset side, do you all see the stock is 40,000? So 40,000 is 10% less 4,000. Decrease means it is our loss. So revaluation account debit side to stock 4,000. Asset side stock 40,000 minus decrease of 4,000. So outer column 36,000. Now see in this question the languages. Goli will bring his capital equal to 150% of net assets of new firm. For both the languages, the steps will remain same. But we will start those steps after evaluations balance. So liability side creditors 50,000 unticked items. Also put tick on bad debt reserve, it's already considered. Asset side, all are recorded. Now, 36,000 credit side total minus 24,000, so 12,000 to partners capital account in bracket profit. It distributed in old ratio 1:2, 4,000 and 8,000. Put 12,000 into 1/3, 4,000. So do 12,000 into 2/3, 8,000. Opposite side in partners capital account by revaluation account. Put 4,000. So do 8,000. Are you all clear with this? Now we have to start those steps. Raise your hand. First step, what will we find? Raise your hand. Ask the Adjusted capital for which partners will find? Tapu and Sonu. How do you find adjusted capital? Yes, partners capital account credit minus debit. For Tapu it is 2,26,000 and Sonu it's 3,50,000 and debit is 18,000 and 36,000. Now 226 minus 18 is 2,08,000 and 3,13,000. That is called adjusted capitals. I repeat it. Partners capital account credit side total of Tapu 2,26,000, Sonu 3,49,000 minus debit side 18,000 and 36,000. So adjusted capital 2,08,000 and 3,13,000, which if you add, you get 5,21,000. Raise your next step. Be careful what I am discussing because you are going to make mistake with that. So raise your hand. Next step. Raise your hand. Parik.
Remaining share is equal to 1 minus percentage of new.
Yes, here don't do 1 minus new partner's share 5 by 18. Here new partner is bringing 50% of net assets. So how you will find the remaining share is 1 minus 50 by 100. If proportionate capital is given to 1 minus new partner's share. If percentage of net assets is given to 1 minus percentage of net assets. Got it everyone? 100 minus 50 upon 100, 50 by 100. Raise your hand. How will you find the total capital? Yes, no one of you? Next step, how will you do the total capital? Nandini? Yes, reciprocal of this. Total capital will be equal to this 5,21,000 is the capital of Tapu and Sonu and their share is 50 by 100. So reciprocal of their share 100 by 50. The total capital will be 10,42,000. Now raise your hand. How will you find Goli's capital or Goli's share? Anyone else? Tejaswini? Or else Goli is going to bring 50% of net assets and net assets means total capital. So Goli's capital will be 10,42,000 into 10,42,000 into 50% is going to bring, which again comes to 5,21,000. It is coming same because it's 50%. If it is any other percentage, it will be different. If you want to do it with logic, then you will say remaining share is 50%. For 50%, their capital is 5 lakh and Goli is also going to bring. So it will be same only. So we get the same answer 5,21,000. Is everyone clear with it?
Yes.
Now, what will be the journal entry for this? Cash to Goli's capital 5,21,000 and partners capital credit side by cash account in Goli's column 5,21,000. Now normal balancing, closing balance of capital will come on liability side and cash will come on asset side. This we have written 2,26,000, 3,49,000 and 5,21,000. 2,26,000 minus 18, 2,08,000. 349 minus 36, 3,13,000 and 5,21,000. Two balance carried down. Liability side capitals So, same steps, but where you take new partner's share, if it is given percentage of net assets, you will take percentage of net assets. Are you okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Illustration 30 and 28 will be your homework.
Tomorrow is holiday, right?
Why?
But maybe.
No holiday tomorrow.
Why?
My wish. Illustration 28 and 30 is your homework. Tomorrow we'll complete this chapter. Only one question is remaining. Now everyone,